Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today, guys, is show you how you can easily create a glow effect or a glow to a certain object within Adobe Photoshop. A very, very simple process for you to follow, but as you can see, a really cool effect that you can apply to many forms of graphic design. The question should be, how do we do it? And that's why I'm here to show you to do it. So what I'm now going to do is open up our layers. Just going to click that top layer, press shift and click that bottom layer there and press backspace to remove to start off with our original image. The first thing that I need to do is make sure I have the selected elements that I want to create the glow on. So I'm going to come through and use our quick selection tool. Just going to come through there and select the night tick. I did an error there. I'm just going to come through and minus across from that, making sure that night tick is still selected there. Fantastic. Just going to make sure that I'm plus into the selection. I just want to come through and plus that sole there all the way through. Let's go there. Wonderful. Now, with that selection still live, what I'm now going to do is double click on our, first of all, add a solid color adjustment layer. We're going to keep that as white. Wonderful. Now to that layer, I'm just going to double click on it to bring up our layer styles. I'm going to add an outer glow. Okay. Stick to these numbers here, guys, of 59 for the opacity, 0 noise, 0 spread, probably around 158 pixels for the size, and keep a light color of blue there. A light color of blue would be a good color to go for. So now if I press OK, as you can see, that glow is really coming through now. But just quickly on that layer there, what I want to do is quickly add another little blending mode, just so that we can bring that through. I'm going to say linear dodge there would be the best one. Now I'm just going to highlight the bottom layer. I'm just going to add an adjustment layer of color lookup. So I'm going to simply come through here and apply a moonlight adjustment layer like so. Wonderful. And I'm just going to come through and just bring the opacity down on that just a tad, to soften that a little bit like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can make things and objects and elements glow within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.